How to change music length on Facebook story. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to launch the Facebook app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened the application, make sure to log into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on the plus icon at the top of your screen. Here you have options such as post, story, reel, and live. Tap on the second option of story. Now you can either select a video or photo from your gallery, or you can also take one using the camera button at the bottom right corner of your screen. I'm going to select this photo. Now tap on the music option. From here you can select any music you want. You can also tap on the search bar and search for a music of your choice. Select the music, and now if you want to change the length of this music, then you want to tap on the music icon again. With this, you get different options for editing. Now you want to drag the slider in order to change the music length. Right now it is set to 15. If you want to change that, you can simply drag this slider to the left. And as you can see, the seconds are decreasing, and now this music is of 5 seconds. You can also swipe in this way to select from where you want the music to be played. Once you have adjusted the music length, tap on the done option and now tap on share. And this is how you can change the music length in Facebook story. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.